What's up, guys? Welcome to H&S Pyro Fever. So we got the Widow Maker
and the Puff Puff Pass by Fox Fireworks.
420 shots. These things are pretty cool. This is the Widow Maker by Big Kings Fireworks.
This is Puff Puff Pass. It's got green intro. 420 shots.
Wait till you see this thing. Okay, so we're gonna shoot this first. This is the Widow Maker. Let's fight.
It's got some nice tails on it, too.
Oh, I know, it's beautiful. It's pretty cool. All right, guys, 128 shots. That's the Widow Maker. That's pretty sick. All right, guys, this is Puff Puff Pass, 420 shots, green intro. Check this one out. This thing is awesome. Yeah, let me put it in the bag. That's so cool. How they're made. That's a hybrid right there of a smoke bomb / something else. Find it. Are you serious right now? Yeah, no, that's a good one. Go getters in it. That's sick. Get it, go getters. Love go getters. All right, that's Puff Puff Pass. 420. You see that? Pick it up. That thing's actually awesome. That was a good Roman candle. So we got a few other items for you. We'll talk to you later. Like and subscribe. H&S Pyro Fever. Over and out.